Hello, now we're going to look at frame 2. So frame 2 is slightly different. You can see the arm is moved and the foot is moved forward. So we're going to start with that. Now, if we look at the code, I'm going to say we're going to start frame 2, and then we need to put in a time.sleep. This means we're going to show our first frame for half a second, and then before we blank out the screen. To blank out the screen, we already have that code up here. So we're just going to copy that, and that's going to be our first line. So we show the frame 1 for half a second, blank it out. Now we're going to copy frame 1 and paste it below. So frame 2 is mostly frame 1. We just have to modify the arm and the leg. Now we're going to start with the arm. So if we look back into the arm, we're going to do mc.setBlock. Now there are two things we need to change, the 4-3 and the 5-3. So here we can start with the 4-3. I started with wrong here. 4-3-10, and we're going to move that 4-3-10 to being lime green. So the lime is 5, so 35, 5. All right, next up, we need the one to the right of it. So we're going to set block 5, 310. Now we need to change this to the color of the arm, which is 35-4. All right, so now we have the arm updated. Now we need the leg updated. So, oh, and before we move on, we got to make sure that we comment out the bulldozing the land, because that takes so much time to process that you won't be able to see the animation if those are running each time. All right, now up to the leg. So we're gonna set block. So we want to turn 5-1 black and 6-1 we need to turn blue. So 6-1-10 and 35-11, that'll be blue. And now we need to do mc.setBlock 5-1-10, and we're going to turn that black. All right, and now we are ready to run it. So if we run it, starts frame 1, and there's frame 2. So we are completed with frame 2.